Alright, what up folks? As you can see from the video, found a cool little spot. But we're heading out of here now. I was supposed to go to the gym yesterday, but I still went, but my GoPro actually ended up dying. So I didn't actually get more clips. So the clips that you just saw were from yesterday, just letting you know. But yeah, man. My day is done here, so we're heading home. I don't know what's down there, but yeah, man, I'm kind of picking up on the videos. I'm getting a little better with it, but it's kind of hard to make a bunch of videos when, you know, there's not much to do around here. But I am ordering my exhaust for this car, so she will be screaming. A whole bunch of stuff coming. Because I have a driving job that I just started with my company, which is I'm going to be doing that here soon. So I'm going to be out of town for like 3 to 4 weeks straight, and then I'm off for 7 days. So it's gonna be new to me. Hope you guys are all doing good, man. It's almost Christmas time, you know. It's a good month for people, and it's also a bad month, you know. You never know what's going on with people. That was me last year, man. Last year I was like poor as hell. Ooh, got one of the boys. Cool. But yeah, you never know what people are going through, man. Every Christmas is sad and happy, if you know what I mean. Like, some people are not always in the best position, or some people don't have families and stuff, so you never knock on nobody, man. Damn. Turn my lights on low key. I don't know where that man went, but oh, I see him. He's up there. Be forgetting this bitch be pulling. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna do a little POV. It's not gonna be nothing crazy unless I run into something on this road. Kind of just checking in on y'all. Ooh, that view looks good. Hopefully the video I just took, that was on my phone, and I don't have like a stabilizer or anything, so hopefully it looks good. I'm usually pretty good with that stuff. I can take some fire ass videos on a phone. Just gotta know how to do it. It's like rush hour now. Kinda wanna go through I need to fix the car so because it feels like I'm in comfort mode right now. Because this light that you see right here at the little steering wheel, that's my increased steering effort or whatever. It's because my auxiliary battery in the front hasn't been programmed to the car yet. Don't know why, but I bought it like that. And that light came on as I was driving the car when I test drove it. I'm like, bro. But I thought that battery was just dying, but it's actually not dead at all. It's actually really good on juice right now. It's just, it needs to be programmed. That's probably why this brake light's on too, for my rear brakes. Unless that sensor just needs to be replaced, I'm not sure. That thing could be throwing off anything. So it's not siphoning up my steering wheel when I put it in sport. So that's what that is. Got motherfuckers honking. Yeah, man, I might be able to post maybe one more time. Ooh, that's a nice ass Mercedes. I might be able to post one more time before I leave for my vacay, but we'll see. Maybe I can get something juicy cooking up. Low key, I'll be back. Damn, I'm in the middle of the road and shit. That shit nice, but it's slow. It's nice, but it's slow. Nah, I'm just hating. Low key. Damn, one of them 12 was up here, bro. I don't know where that boy went. And you know how it goes. If I do a pull, he gonna just appear in the trees or something. Who knows? Fucking cops sit in the most random ass spots too. Literally, like the car will be in the tree and shit. Like, you don't know. Speaking of one right there, that's hilarious, bro. I think that's one of the college police. They're one of the people that gave me my first damn ticket too. Low-key want to do a poll, but like motherfuckers got me nervous. Fourth gear? Fuck it. Damn. Low-key she be scooting when it's boost season or some shit. I need a tune, dude. This thing's gonna be nasty. Just bear with me, man. I ain't got all the money in the world to be just dipping on my damn car. I ain't like these famous YouTubers that just be having fucking money to blow. Cause you know that's where it all comes from, so. Well, there's that boy. Don't mind me, officer. I was only doing 100 miles an hour. Bro, big as hell. That boy slunched over to talk to them. Alright. Let's see what this puppy can do. Dude, I love that shit. Look, the torque converter just stops the car too when you let off. Yeah, I'm sorry that this video is not like juicy as hell, but like I'm trying to make it juicy. You know what I mean? That's a nice ass crib, bruh. I'm about to rob that shit tonight. Facts. That shit about to be my house. Oh, I need an exhaust so bad. I'm literally gonna order one. And then I'm gonna get the fucking 360 cam too. That bitch gonna be growling, bruh. Just know. Fuck you talking about? Third gear, low key. Pull like a motherfucker. Watch. That dude, 0 to 100 real quick. Oh, I need an exhaust, bro. I need it. It's not even a want, it's a need. Look at those houses. Low key, if I didn't move out of my parents' house at like 19, man, who knows the shit I'd have right now, to be honest with you. Who knows, bro? I'm going left, bro. I'm I'm not dealing with this traffic. You feel me? Damn. Calm down. Calm down. Shit. Chill out, girl. Fucking engine trying to come out of the damn chassis, bro. It's already getting dark and shit. I'm not a fan of that. I don't mind winter, but dude, getting dark at 12 o'clock in the afternoon is insane. And then there's places around the world that like the sun does not come up for like a month straight. Like somewhere in Alaska, like Sweden, the sun doesn't go down for a certain period of time, I believe. Like, wouldn't that be some shit? Wouldn't that be trippy as hell? Going to sleep and the sun is just blazing through your window. It's fucking 2 in the morning. Like, dude, that would trip me out. Imagine being on drugs. You're gonna be like, what the hell? There was a weird ass movie that I watched and it explained that. I don't know what fucking movie it was, but it was weird. Some weird shit going on over there. Oh, that's a bus. I gotta chill out. Do a $1.50 past them. Chevy, Chevy lady, going through the motion. It's been a lonely trip, man. So I be talking to y'all. Be lonely out here, man. Weird ass generation. I'm about to just fucking hacksaw my damn exhaust off. Might lose a lot of power, but they're gonna sound good. Ooh, watch this shit. Probably gonna end the video right here, but I'm gonna do a little first gear pull, low key. First gear be pulling. And then the video's gonna end just like that. Ooh. Just like that. Alright, if you like the video, man. Doses, man.